Good morning, children. So, in our previous class, we have learned about the nutrition in plants. So, in the previous chapter, we have come across these terms. Like we learn about what are nutrients. So, what are nutrients? As we know, these are the essential components of food. Essential components of food. And what is nutrition? हमने पहले ही in the previous chapter we understood this term also. Nutrition is the mode of taking food. It is the mode of taking food and mode of taking food and its utilization. So both plants as well as in animals, दोनों में ही न्यूट्रिशन इज वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो ओनली द डिफरेंस इज हाउ दे आर टेकिंग देयर फूड from the source they are getting their food. Difference comes over here. So in plants we come across with the term photosynthesis. So plants manufacture their own food, they synthesize their own food by the process of photosynthesis. So what is photosynthesis? It is a process by which plants synthesize their own food. सो प्लांट्स के बारे में तो हमने कर लिया, ठीक है. वी नो इन प्लांट्स में डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म हैं. सम दे प्रिपेयर देयर ओन फूड. कुछ ऑर्गेनिजम्स ऐसे हैं जो इन प्लांट्स पर डिपेंड करते हैं. एंड द अदर कैटेगरी इज like they feed both on plants as well as on animals. So on the basis of the mode of nutrition, on the basis of the way of their the method या the way या mode of taking their nutrition, on the basis of this, on the basis of their requirements, on the basis of their habitat, organisms are divided, categorized into different groups. Like some are dependent on plants, some are dependent only on animals, some are dependent both on plants as well as on animals. So moving forward, in the same way as in plants, nutrition is in animals is also equally important. So we know we are, we are dependent on food. We eat food. Food carries nutrients. But after taking food, after eating food, what happens to this food? How we are obtaining energy from these nutrients? हमारी बॉडी को एनर्जी कैसे मिल रही है इन न्यूट्रिएंट से? इस फूड का फर्दर हमारी बॉडी में जाने के बाद क्या होता है? All these things we are going to study under nutrition in animals, and specifically we are going to understand the process of digestion. The process of digestion, or we can, and this system is known as digestive system. Digestive system in humans. Digestive system in humans. Now this digestive system, as we know, we eat our food. That means कि हम जब खाना खा रहे हैं, we start with our mouth. We start with our mouth. In mouth we are having teeth, we are having tongue, and in mouth is also known as buccal cavity. Buccal cavity. And in buccal cavity there is a presence of salivary glands. We are going to discuss the function of all the organs one by one. Moving forward, after the mouth, खाना माउथ में गया, then it reaches to esophagus, means food pipe. It is just an outline of the chapter, dear children. No need to worry. We are going to discuss all these parts one by one. So esophagus में खाना गया, After this esophagus is connected to our stomach, and if it is connected to our stomach, that means food will reach to stomach. After stomach, we are having small intestine, then we are also having large intestine. ठीक है, so all these are the parts of our digestive system, and all these parts, that means from mouth to our intestine, either small or large intestine, both from mouth to intestine, this whole part is known as alimentary canal. Alimentary canal. So in our next video, what we are going to learn about how, what happens to the food in mouth, and after the mouth, when food reaches to esophagus, then to stomach, then to our intestine, what happens to the food, how it gets digested, how we are obtaining energy from the food, all these steps, and what we call these, specific steps. There are some specific terms given to each step. ठीक है, हर एक स्टेप को एक पर्टिकुलर टर्म से जाना जाता है. All these terms we are going to understand in our next video. Thank you.